What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandman17 coming at y'all with a video today. I'm gonna be talking about pretty much what you should be doing with your money, and then at the same time talking about why, if you're looking to buy a Dodge Charger RT, you should possibly be looking into getting a cheaper one. All right. So hey, just real quick, just to start off the video, first reason why you should probably be looking to get like an older vehicle, just so it'll be a little bit cheaper. Obviously, you'll save money. But that money that people are saving, what people should be doing with their money in the year, we're going on 2025, 2024, almost over. People should be saving their money a little bit more. Not only should they be saving it, but they should be investing their money. Where do these people need to be investing their money, you might ask? The stock market. It's real simple. Stock market, cryptos. It's a lot going on right now in the financial markets. And if you're not tapped into that, you need to get tapped into it. I'm telling you, it's a lot of people that got money out here. They're tapped into it, and that's how they're gonna keep getting more money. And people that's not tapped into it, they just gonna keep getting left further and further behind. But hey, just real quick, a few stocks y'all could buy. Apple stock, easy one. Boom. Amazon, easy. Tesla, another easy one. Boom. The S&P 500. Boo. That's an easy one. Boom. All right, my people that's not invested in those stocks, my people that are like not invested their money, period. How about y'all enlighten me? Tell me why y'all not investing y'all money. Tell me why y'all not investing y'all money. Cause I done asked like 3-4 people this week, people that I done came across. I done asked them like, hey, are you investing into any type of cryptos? Nah. You investing in stocks? Nah. Like what, man? Like, come on, man. What are we doing now? And I ain't even gonna cap. Like, yeah, the stock market, like, you gotta make your move. You gotta do what you do. But really, like, my stock portfolio, I'm not even gonna cap. The past week, I want to say it may be down, right? At least I know like the past like 2-3 days, it's actually been down. But in the long term, buy and hold, I'm already knowing by like this time next year, it's probably gonna be up 25, 30, 50, 60, 70, 80%. So it's cool. I'm buying and holding right now. Really, it's the cryptos that's been down. Because I bought some cryptos like right after Trump got elected, like $200 worth of cryptos. And those have been down a little bit, but the majority of my money is in the stocks, and for like the long term, it's looking good for the stock. So that's what I'm gonna keep on investing my money into. All right, if you got some extra money that you can invest, might want to consider putting it there in the stock market. And yeah, you should be saving and investing your money. Like, that's really it. But nah. So if you have been looking for like a charger or whatever, consider getting an older one. All right, you don't gotta I wouldn't get a brand new one. I would definitely consider getting an older one. And by older one, I mean like 2022 or older. Like I got a 2022. Whenever I was in the market, I seen a 2018 going for like maybe, I think it was going for like around 25. Like around 25, that's not too bad. But it had like 80,000 miles, so I don't know. I didn't think it was like that good of a deal. But just like an older vehicle like that, that'd be good for you. Because that way you can save your money, invest a little bit more money, you know. Or also whenever I was in the market, I did see a 2019 going for like, I'm pretty sure it was either 2019 or like a 2020 or 2021. But it was smoke gray. It was a sweet ass car, sick ass car. But they wanted like 31.5 out the door, and really that really wasn't that bad of a deal. But if you can find a deal like that, that'd be good. Save you some more money, invest you some more money. Just be smart with your money. People got to be smart with their bread. A lot of people out here don't be smart with their bread, and it's cool. I mean, you're not breaking the law, but you just want to be smart with your bread. You want to make good, smart financial decisions. You don't want to be doing no dumb stuff like that. But I don't know, you know. But nah, like the stock market, it's 20. Like I said, like earlier in the video, it's going on 2025. If you're not investing your money, I really don't know what you're doing. Like, seriously. People talking about high yield savings accounts. 4.5%, 5%, 6%. Man, just like I told you, I'm already knowing that the stock portfolio gonna be up 25, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80%. You putting your money in them high yield savings account, it's the same thing. The banks, they already knowing that they're gonna make money on your money. So you might as well make that money yourself. So I mean, you can either take your $1,000 and you could get your little 5%, get your little $50 a year on your $1,000, or you could take your $1,000. You could take your $1,000, get that 25% return on investment. That's like $250. You want 200 or you want 250 or you want $50? That's really the question you gotta ask yourself. But hey, it's been your boy Brandman17. I appreciate y'all watching this video. If you got any thoughts, comments, questions, concerns, drop them down below in the comment section below. And I will see y'all in the next video. I'm gone. Peace.